My friends, real friends, better than your friends. That's how we keep popping out that bitch. New foes, real friends, we ain't even gotta pretend.
What's up, Freaking Frack Gang? It's your girl, Farrak, and I am back with another lit video. Today, I have my mommy. And we, as you read by the title, y'all, we is doing a mukbang. How well do you know your daughter?
I don't know her.
She better know me, y'all. If she don't know me, it's gonna hurt my feelings. But today we have some shark's chicken. We got some little water. She got the hot sauce. She gonna put the hot sauce on there and just, ooh. Yes. So we're just gonna get right into this video. We ain't even gonna do no talking. I'm just gonna get me.
Don't be eating the little ones. Eat them big ones.
Is this big? I need the sauce because you know I like the sauce.
Come on with my small wings, yo.
Ooh,
Why you got your own plate?
I don't know. We supposed to share, Mom. Chill.
No, swear.
I'm gonna see you eat. This is good. Hold on, y'all.
Don't be doing too much.
So, alright. We're just gonna get right into this. I got my questions ready. So I'm gonna just go ahead. So, I'm gonna start off.
That gristle part is the best part.
Do y'all hear talk about some gristle?
Girl.
So I'm gonna start off with something easy. What's my shoe size and my favorite shoe brand?
You don't even know your own shoe size.
I do know my shoe size.
Every time you buy some shoes, you buy them too big.
First, I know my shoe size. Come on, what's my shoe size?
You wear like a 9, and your favorite shoe brand is Vans.
Okay, 1 point for Mom. She know me a little bit.
I mean, I do buy all your stuff. One gotta dip it like that. Only one dip. Don't double dip.
Chill.
No, I'm serious.
Next question. Who was my first love?
You want me to say this for real? Like, no caps.
No caps. Who was my first love?
Man, that's kind of like a toss-up, right? Because you love two people that I know. So I'm going to say your first love is Jalen. Because y'all been like rocking since like y'all was 3 years old. But then I want to say Marquise because like you really love him.
You got to pick one. It can't be both. So who would you say? If you had to pick one, who was my first love between them two?
Marquise.
Okay, 2 points for my mama. Look at.
He's still my favorite.
What's my favorite thing to eat? Like, what's my favorite food? And I always want it.
I could eat.
What's my favorite thing? What's my favorite food? What is my favorite food? I'm like, Mom, make this.
Damn. Yeah, I cook.
Yeah. What's my? I always ask.
I was gonna say shrimp, but I don't cook shrimp.
Right.
Tacos?
Wow.
No. Oh shit.
Pepper steak and rice.
I was gonna say that.
Pepper steak and rice.
I was gonna say that.
So she got one
But I don't really cook that like that.
But I always ask for it. I do always ask for that.
What you do? Water. Nobody didn't pop over here.
Who is my best friend first, Romeo or Jazz?
Romeo.
Okay. So that's 4.
You only got 10 questions?
10.
Oh, you should have did 20. These too easy.
Okay. Next question. Who's my top 3 favorite artists?
Now, you know I don't know this because I don't know the new age people. The dude from Shaft, not Shaft, what's that? Trevor Jackson.
He is not my favorite artist, Mom.
Why you got me on here like I'm eating all the chicken up?
That's you eating all the chicken.
I'm on guys now.
I ain't that
Dang. Bryson Tiller.
Okay, that's 1. I'll give you one here. There's 2 females.
Ella May.
Really, nigga?
Sorry. Is they old school or new school?
They like new, but they like, you know what I like.
I don't.
So, she like that
wait.
one.
Brian Tiller.
Okay.
Her.
Okay. And one more.
Oh, Jesus.
You might not even, I don't even
I
know.
probably don't know her. What's that girl?
Well, she just name a song.
The new girl. I don't know this one, but she new. What's her name, bro? Ted.
Sing a song.
I don't know the song. But she like new. Like,
She is.
give
new.
me an initial.
S.
Right. Dog, I was going to say start with an S. But I can't remember her name. Somebody.
Okay.
Summer song.
Look at my mama, y'all. Oh my God, I thought you was gonna get that one wrong. Y'all see how she thinks she knows song?
This right here.
That's the best part
The
of
best
the
part.
chicken.
Don't be all like that, because if you spit on my food, I'll punch your head through that wall.
Chill, bro.
I'm just saying.
But that's the best part of the chicken, y'all. The what is it called, Mom? The
tip.
tip. The tip. Ooh, that tip.
Are y'all counting how many pieces of chicken I ate?
Y'all, we should have, because you was over there banging. I only ate like 2, and I ain't even finished with it.
And
Okay.
the tip with some hot sauce on it. The best.
I thought you didn't get this one wrong. But what's my favorite childhood show?
Hannah Montana? It was. Don't even go there. Don't even go there.
Okay, that was my favorite Disney one. I ain't even gonna fly. So I did love it.
Okay, so you can't even say.
But that's not my favorite childhood show. My favorite childhood show is Kenan and Kel, Mom. I love that show.
I ain't never.
You ain't never.
never.
Chill. We
Not as no child. As a teenager, but not as no child.
Okay, so what'd you do, Hannah Montana?
I know I'm right. Don't be telling me, because you had Hannah Montana socks, panties, nightgowns, pajamas, the whole bedroom set, comforters,
The
pillows,
karaoke.
a karaoke machine, video game.
I hate all. I used to love her.
We got the best of both worlds.
Did you go? Okay, how long have me and Jazz been best friends?
Girl, you know I don't know. 3 years? Yeah, you met her in high school. Wait, how long you been in high school? 5 years. I need some more French fries.
Okay, name an ex that I'll always love.
Jalen Crowd.
Why you gotta say his full name?
I mean, I wasn't supposed to.
But you know that's my best friend forever and ever. Love you, J Crowd. Make sure y'all go follow my shorty. He is going crazy on the drumming side. I ain't gonna do no type of collaging, y'all. Make sure y'all check my friend out. I'm gonna put his name down there for y'all, so y'all can make sure y'all go follow him and everything. Cause shorty be going crazy on the drum. What's my favorite shade of blue?
Blue nigga, blue. You only like blue, period. You don't even know shades of blue.
Yes, I do.
Name 5 shades of blue.
We have royal blue, turquoise, sky blue, cloud. What's the other blue?
Told you she don't even know.
Midnight. Midnight blue. Ocean blue. What's my favorite?
Royal blue?
Yes. Come on, chill. Act like you know me, bro. I got it on. Royal blue, boo. All right, and this is the last question.
Red.
See, you on that Jasmine.
The best color.
You on that Jasmine color.
These wings is big and ugly.
So you don't want them?
I'm gonna eat the tips. You had them.
What's my type of boy? Like, what do I like? What's my type, Mom? What I go for? Like, describe my perfect boy. Like, how I would want them to be.
Heavy set,
Bye. Get out.
light skin. Plays drums.
Girl, that is not my type.
You got a good job
That is one.
and a car.
That is another one.
Yeah, I think that's the perfect type. Right?
No. So she got 2 wrong. Out of 10 questions,
You don't even got no type. You ain't even old
my
enough to have a
type is I like tall,
Laugh. You ain't never dated nobody tall.
dark skin, or
Laugh.
brown skin. I do not like light skinned boys. Light skinned boys, they think they
Who
look better
you
than
hollering at?
Chill on the
I'm
beat.
just saying.
Chill on the
You
beat.
see, she
I
broke
don't
down.
like light skinned boys because light skinned boys think they look better than me. How you gonna think you look better than me? And what? No. I like tall, darker brown skinned boys. I like nice smile. You gotta be skinny or like a little got a little.
You like fat boys.
I dated one fat boy.
Like your daddy. That's fat.
I'm done with you, Mom.
Go ahead.
Those are the questions. But
Bonus question.
bonus questions. We got I'm just make some up. No, you asked me.
How
some.
many times did I whip your...
None.
Oh my God. That looks so nasty because it's so big.
Right, it's big. Y'all see that? Ooh. Okay.
Man, I really wish I had some french fries.
Yeah, Daddy only put like 6 fries in the like we boogie.
It's fat butt.
He probably got the whole plate of
A
fries.
tray of fries.
With some cheese on it.
Cheese.
You know Daddy go extra with the stuff.
Cheese on it. Cheese.
But
Why is you fat?
okay, Ma, you asked me something. Let's see if I know my mama a little bit.
If you know me, you don't know me. You don't know Nan. Hey, you ain't like me. You ain't like me. How do you scream like, oh, see, then you know Nan.
You don't know me.
You didn't know that song.
Yes, I do. She be like, you don't know that. You don't know that.
Good night.
And then the fat dude come out. I don't know that.
His name is Trick Daddy.
Trick Daddy. I don't know that.
Okay, so let me see. How many years have I been with Daddy?
Y'all been together 8 years.
What?
7, 8
What?
years. 7?
Me and Daddy been together 10 years.
No, y'all have not.
Okay, so we're going on our 9th year anniversary.
Exactly.
But we dated.
No. How you act like I knew that? Y'all been talking since I was 5. No. Y'all been talking to me. Y'all been talking since.
We don't talk to you. We ain't like it.
Y'all been dating.
All you gotta do is count 19 minus 10, and that'll be your answer. But don't do it on camera, because I know you're a little slow.
It's 9. Chill, bro.
Then you know then.
Wow. But they have been married for 8 years.
But I didn't think how long we been married.
But whatever, Mom.
I mean, you just
Whatever,
one
Mom.
wrong. Let me see.
I was close.
How many years apart are me and TT?
2?
Okay, one right. Ding, 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 ding. She is not on the short yellow bus, people.
Period. I had to think about it a little bit, but
I
then
just put you back on. You back on the bus. The short yellow one.
I could at least get on the long.
No, you all short. That's
I'm dead.
Are you?
I'm dead.
Resuscitate. Clear.
I'm alive.
Well, I don't think that worked. Let me do it again.
No, I'm
You
good.
did.
Hurt a little
Let me
bit.
see.
Hurt a
Die
little bit.
again.
I don't want to die again. I might not come back to say.
I got you.
Okay.
My feet
Next.
name is strong. Die again. Die again.
Chicken almost came up. I'm dead.
Did you fall?
No, man. That is so...
But I'm just saying, I thought you did. Okay, then what else? Do I like your daddy? Your biological daddy? No. Hell no.
Cut it out. They is getting back cool.
No, sorry.
Man, chill on him, man.
Chill on him, man.
Chill on him, man. He
You
trying.
know what I want to say.
Chill on my dad.
Right. I'm glad you got that one right. You smart. You back on the yellow bus when I put the wheels back on.
Cool. We waking
the
up.
wheels on the bus go round and round. Hey, hey, hey. That. Okay.
Damn, that's so... You supposed to...
so old.
Whoa.
Oh.
That was a big one.
Oh, it's so good.
Whoa. Ready? Yeah! What was that?
I can't stand you. Okay, so what's next?
This is the last question, y'all, because we got it in this video.
Who is my all-time favorite artist?
Fantasia.
That's my sister. That's
Fantasia. Y'all see how I knew that? Oh.
In my mind, right? She is my sister. Like, you can't tell me that she not her auntie. Like, in my man, Fantasia, T is my sister. Like,
I don't even know you.
she do know me.
But all right.
In her man, she know me.
In her man. All right.
That's my sister. Ran into an old friend yesterday.
I was feeling.
I don't even like you.
All right, freaking fake gang. We is gonna end this video. Tuning into
We don't
this
want to
video.
They don't want me to end. They want the people. The people want me. If y'all want to see more of me, drop it in a link in the bottom. Like
in the link.
Whatever the hell it is.
In the comments.
In the comments in the bottom, like Maya, keep your mama on, Joe. On phone him, keep your mama on. G.
I gotta crop that out because YouTube do not support games. So I'm gonna crop that out.
Phone him is not a game. That is definitely not a game.
And Jesus is not God. Well, he.
You was going in.
I'm so sorry. I should have came up with a better scenario. I should have. But thank y'all for tuning.
Really not God. Jesus is God's son. But they are one.
Exactly. So I'm really not.
Well, you is still on the short yellow bus, and all the wheels just came off with the windshield wipers, and it's raining. So you stuck, and the door open, and it's a flood. So the water gonna get on the bus and drown you. For that comment, give me a kiss.
No. Thank you for tuning into this video. Mama, chill.
Give me a kiss. Did you just fart? You nasty heifer.
No, I did it. For real, chill.
Oh,
Chill
my
out.
laugh.
No. Thank y'all for tuning in this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below if y'all want to see. If y'all want to see more of Mama Frack on here, make sure y'all tune into this video.
Your hair smell good.
Thank y'all tune into this video, but make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Follow my mama on Instagram.
Follow me, please, on Snapchat.
No, I'll put her name on there.
Facebook. I got a Twitter, but I don't really be on Twitter. But follow me on LinkedIn.
LinkedIn?
Yeah.
What is that?
Call me, text me, you know. But for real, though, get my Instagram followers up because I only got a lot of Instagram followers. And I really want to be popping on Instagram because, you know, I am a model. I'm a big girl model. Check out my pictures and be like, dang. Because I do look good. I love to dress really well.
Tune into our channel more. We're going to have some more lit bangers for y'all. We come and dropping videos every other day. Every other day. Bangers every other day.
Bangers
every other day. Bangers every other day. Bangers every other day.
Yeah.
So make sure y'all turn on them notification bells. Make sure y'all tune into this channel because you don't want to miss nothing.
That is so not cute.
Period.
Pooh.
We out, y'all. See y'all later.